Hello, today I shall show you how to fix the spell check not working issue in Microsoft Word. Step 1, check the proofing language. Open your Word document. Go to the Review tab. In the Language group, click Language, select Set Proofing Language. Make sure the correct language is selected. Check the box labeled Do Not Check Spelling or Grammar. This disables spelling and grammar checks. Click OK. Step 2, check Word options. Click the File tab and choose Options. In the Word Options window, select Proofing. Scroll down to Exceptions for your document name. Uncheck the boxes, Page Spelling Errors and Hide Grammar Errors. Click OK to apply changes. Now the red squiggly line should appear again under misspelled words, meaning spell check is working again. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.